Good day sir, good day everyone. I am John Kimpi Casinyo coming from BSME 2A. In this video, I am going to present my high-spec computer build. So, let's start. So the first one in terms of system unit is the processor named Ryzen 5 3600. This processor offers strong multi-core performance for gaming, content creation, and multitasking, while its compatibility with the AM4 socket and PCIe 4.0 support ensures future-proofing for upgrades and advanced hardware setups, having a price of 10,600 pesos. So the second one is the motherboard model ASRock A520 MITx-AC. This motherboard is designed for compact PC builds, particularly small form factor systems or HTPCS, offering support for AMD Ryzen processors and a mix of performance and connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, catering to various computing needs in a space-efficient form factor, having a price of 5,450 pesos. So the third one is RAM, model Kingston 16GB Fury RGB 3200 MHz. This memory module is designed to deliver high performance and visually appealing memory for gaming and multimedia tasks, offering a blend of speed, capacity, and RGB lighting that enhances both system performance and aesthetic in gaming and enthusiast PC builds, having a price of 5,350 pesos. So the fourth one is storage, model PNY CS900 480GB SSD. This solid-state drive is designed to offer reliable and budget-friendly storage, improving system responsiveness and data access speed, making it a suitable choice for upgrading older computers or boosting storage performance in newer systems. With its 480GB capacity, providing ample space and SATA interface, ensuring compatibility with various devices, having a price of 3,150 pesos. The fifth one, graphics card, model RTX 2060. This graphics card is designed to provide high-quality gaming experiences at 1080p and 1440 resolutions, excelling in a variety of modern games with the ray tracing and DLSS capabilities that enhance realism and visual quality in supported titles, making it an attractive option for gamers seeking immersive graphics and smooth gameplay, having a price of 28,400 pesos. The sixth one, power supply, model FSP Dagger Pro 650 watts Gold. Its primary function is to efficiently and reliably deliver electrical power to a computer system, especially in compact or small form factor builds, guaranteeing stable and high performance operation, having a price of 5,350 pesos. The seventh one, or the last one in terms of building the system unit, is the case, model NZXT H210. It's designed to offer a compact and stylish enclosure for mini ITX motherboard-based PC builds, providing flexibility in component compatibility and efficient cooling options, while featuring a modern and minimalist design, having a price of 4,125 pesos. In terms of other devices, our first one is the monitor, model Acer Nitro VG271U M3B MIIPX. This monitor is designed to provide an immersive and responsive gaming experience with its high-resolution display, fast refresh rate, and AMD FreeSync premium support, while also offering enhanced visual quality through HDR and versatile connectivity options, having a price of 12,350 pesos. Second one, mouse, model Logitech G102. It's designed to offer precise and responsive control for gamers, with customizable DPI settings, programmable buttons, and RGB lighting to enhance the gaming experience, having a price of 1,025 pesos. The third one, keyboard, model Logitech G213 Prodigy RGB. This keyboard is designed to offer an affordable and feature-rich gaming experience with customizable RGB lighting, dedicated media controls, and anti-ghosting, making it suitable for gamers looking for essential gaming functionality without the expense of mechanical keyboard, having a price of 1,995 pesos. The fourth one, headset, model Red Dragon Zeus 2 H510. It's designed to offer gamers immersive audio, clear communication, and comfort during extended gaming sessions at an affordable price point, having a price of 1,925 pesos. So, the last one is camera, model Trust Gaming GXT 1160 webcam. This is designed to provide budget-conscious gamers and streamers with a full HD video solution, including a wide-angle lens for capturing clear and immersive content during gaming and streaming sessions, having a price of 1,212.62 pesos. The overall total in terms of system unit, peripherals, and other devices is equal to 68,592.62 pesos, or approximately 68,600 pesos for this kind of high-spec computer build. So that's all, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.